idea of this bag is to be a slouchy bag, but I wanted it to be a bit more structured. So you can see that my bag has gone a little bit slouchy from just being stuffed. So I definitely recommend an insert is like the way to go if you have a Picotin. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Billy and this is Billy X Luxury. So it's been a little minute since I did my last video recording. I've been super busy and been working a lot of hours. So I'm a theatre nurse, so we're in high demand at the moment. So I'm doing heaps and heaps of hours at work, so I haven't had much time to film for YouTube. So yeah, that's where I've been, but I'm back. I'm trying to make a little bit more time for my YouTube channel now. So today we are going to talk about my Picotin 18 insert that I just purchased from MaiTai. So this is my Picotin. The color is Mauve Celeste. I have a little rodeo on the side in the matching Mauve Celeste color. So this is my Picotin 18 Palladium hardware. I have had it for some time now, maybe not quite a year, but I have been debating on a bag liner for it. I just didn't know which brand to go with. I did purchase a Zumoni liner for my Mini Evelyn back there, but I did find that it kind of left creases in it because it didn't go the whole length of the bag. It sort of only went like half of it, and then you could see a bit of a line crease on it. So I didn't want that with my Picotin because I don't want the leather to get stretched or, you know, to have any issues with it. So I debated for a while on which bag liner to get. I read a heap of reviews, watched YouTube videos as you do, and I decided upon MaiTai because I have heard that they're really beautifully well made and they are really good for Hermes bags. So I will show you the one that I purchased and tell you all about it. Okay, so this is my insert. As you can see, it has that beautiful swirl, nice pattern. Oh, my phone. Okay, so what is really impressive about this is the inside, and I will show you guys. It is so pretty on the inside. Beautiful embroidery on one side. So let's do some close-ups, okay? MaiTai Collection, made in France. So you can see that the stitching is literally perfect on the side there. It has a MaiTai tab. Look at this embroidery. Like, look how incredible that is. It's perfection. So on one side, 2 slip pockets. Not quite big enough for a phone though. And then look at the beautiful embroidery on the bottom. I think I've got a little bit of something on there. Okay, so this is the other side. This side does perfectly fit a phone. And then this side, say for a pen or a thin lip gloss. Isn't this color beautiful? So the material is cotton, but it has a really pretty sheen to it. And this is the outside pattern. All the edging is perfect. The embroidery is perfect. But this is really, like, this detail is really, really nice. And it's really quite thick and like a lot of padding as well. So super impressed with the quality of the insert. I would 100% buy from them again. I know a lot of YouTubers talk about 7RP. I did look into them, but to ship to Australia where I am and converting the currency, they were just so expensive. So this was very reasonable in comparison to the 7RP. I've never seen a 7RP insert in real life, so I can't comment on their craftsmanship or how beautiful they are, but I'm really super impressed with MaiTai, and I definitely will purchase more inserts from them in the future as my Hermes bag collection grows. So I'm going to show you how I get it in. So material, it's completely foldable. I haven't undone my lock, so just put it in. And I'll show you how it sits in there. Super snug. Maybe I should undo my lock for the purpose of showing you exactly how it fits inside the bag. So let me just get my key and I'll be back. So I've undone my locking key just to show you guys how it fits. So as you can see, it's a perfect snug fit, still with room around the edges. So it's not super tight to the edges of the Picotin, which I guess is what allows it to not indent the leather. But it fits very, very nicely, and I'm very impressed. So all you can see really from the top of the bag is this beautiful pink color and a little bit of the fabric color on the side. And when we close the bag, you can't see the insert at all, can you? You can't see any indentation. The insert finishes here. You can't see any indentation of where the insert is on this bag. And this bag is designed to be slouchy. As you can see, I feel like I went way too long without an insert in it. And when it was just sitting in my cupboard, I did have it stuffed, but it has still kind of like, I guess that's the nature of the leather, just sort of slouch. And that's the idea of this bag, is to be a slouchy bag, but I wanted it to be a bit more structured. So you can see that my bag has gone a little bit slouchy from just being stuffed. So I definitely recommend an insert is like the way to go if you have a Picotin. Let's just put the lock back on. So I was watching Dubai Bling last night, and one of the cast members had a Picotin with her lock, but then she had her keys attached somewhere. They weren't in the lock. They were just like hanging. And I was like, what is she hanging those keys off? I don't know, but then I thought maybe it's this little string piece of leather that they come on that she's hanging them on with. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think that's a good look or not a good look to have your keys hanging off? I don't know. I'm undecided, but I was like, love that show. It's so amazing. So this is the little pouch that your keys go in, but I always worry that I'm going to lose the keys. So maybe that is a good option, to stick the keys near the lock. I don't know. But anyway, we're talking about inserts here. So I will say, because the insert was coming from France, it took ages. So I think it was sent on about the 20th of September, and then I think it arrived to me in Australia about the 17th of October. So honestly, almost a month of shipping. But I know, you know, COVID, everything's delayed, so that's probably pretty normal. I'd say being in Australia, we're so far away, so of course the shipping is going to be slower, but I didn't quite expect it to be almost a month. So as long as you're not in a hurry for your insert, that's fine. But I didn't mind waiting, it's fine. But yeah, just take that into the account that it can take a fair bit of time to get to you if you order. And shipping is quite expensive as well when converting the Australian dollar to euro. But all in all, super happy with my insert. Really impressed. Will 100% buy more inserts from them as my collection grows with Hermes bags. I am definitely considering buying an insert for this medium classic flap, because I feel like I really need to preserve it considering all the price increases. I do want to say how crazy has the Chanel price increases been? I got this last year about the same time, and it's already gone up about 1,300 Australian dollars since then. I don't know. I just don't even know what they're doing. So I'm wondering if like I should get an insert to preserve that, because I only have one classic flap, and I, you know, with the current prices, I don't see myself getting another one. Let's just say that. Anyway, that's my review of my MaiTai Collection Picotin insert. Super impressed, really happy with it. If you have a Picotin and you're looking for an insert, definitely consider MaiTai. They're, you know, heaps more reasonable on price in comparison to some of the other bag insert companies, and yeah, really happy with it. Super happy. Okay, so I've just brought you to MaiTai Collection website. The URL is maitaicollection.com. So pretty much she just does bag inserts, and I think she might even do some scarves. I will show you that. So she does inserts for Hermes bags and Chanel bags only. So if we go to bag inserts for Hermes bags, you can choose which style of bag you have, and then she's got some really beautiful colors, as you can see. So this is the one that I purchased, the Etro Edition Framboise. It's the one I got for my Picotin. So I will just show you. If we go into Picotin 18, which is the size of my bag, these are the different fabrics available. Ralph Lauren is really pretty. I chose the Framboise because I liked the really beautiful deep pink on the inside, which I will show you. These leopard ones are really cute too. And there's a blue one, coral, and then the linen collection is a little bit more cheaper. Yeah, so that's what's available. Liberty of London. So she uses designer fabrics. And then I will take you to the one that I purchased. And can I just say, like, I'm really impressed with the quality of the insert. Okay, so here's my one. So the outside of it you don't really see when it's in the bag, it's the internal that you see. So beautiful stitching throughout. Really pretty. So this one retails for 124 euros. It's made from 100% cotton and is dry cleanable. So here you can see it sitting inside a Picotin. So it's almost a perfect size. Covers the base, but it doesn't lean on the leather, if you know what I mean. It doesn't mark the leather, which is what I'm really happy about, because I didn't want to purchase another liner that you could see, you know, the marks on the leather of where the liner stops and where the leather continues. So as you can see, she also does inserts for Chanel bags, which I'm kind of contemplating for my medium classic flap. So if you enjoyed my review, please give me a like on this video, a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I love doing all these sort of like bag reviews, unboxings and insights of all my luxury purchases and my wish lists. So if that is the sort of thing you like to watch on YouTube, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would love you to join my community. Anyway, that's all from me. Thanks for watching my video, and hopefully it was helpful. See ya!